Welcome. It's the morning and everyone's tired. It is like 7 o'clock and I don't normally get up this early on the farm. They're about to have a riot on their hands if they make us continue to get up this early, but we'll be heading out in a minute.
What's about a riot?
What? We're gonna riot if we keep having to get up this early.
At 7.
Yeah. We have a leak. Well done, my child.
You're not your dad. Levi, did you check the oil?
No.
Do you know how?
Where is it?
You gotta lift up that little ladder. On the right side on the hinge, you pull the pin out and lift it. And then you open the door. And then there's a round thing.
The yellow?
Yeah.
There should be like a full and empty.
I don't think that one is full and empty. I think it has like a couple lines, like between the lines or somewhere around there. You're fine.
I don't see lines, I just see holes.
Oh, if it's around the holes, then yeah.
Yeah.
It's
there's
up
like
to the
3
holes?
inside. It's only like the first one.
Alright, that should be fine.
Alright. You got a little heart on your bag.
So, a year or two ago, I was combining again. You know, every once in a while you'll have animals in the corn that start running away from the combine. It was a little bunny, little bitty bunny. Yeah, cute little thing. It was running along through the rows, and it finally made it out the end. And, you know, I thought, okay, it made it. It got away. You know, good for it. And, next thing I know, BAM! Hawk comes down, grabs it, just taking off with it right there. Nothing I could do. That was the end of that bunny. But here I thought it was going to get away.
Did too much choke, now it's ruined. It's not my fault! That's the egg! That's not!
Kind of a tight squeeze. So when we start up for the day, you got to turn on the 2020 monitor, and then you got to turn on the iPad and put in the code. It all starts up, and then once this gets going, they'll connect via a wire, and it'll all be going. Okay, so it just says the 2020 connected, and then you select 2020, and it's good to go. Release the park brake, and we're a go. Hey, what are you still doing here? Get out! Get out of here!